This is a presentation that introduces the linear cost model as expressed as y equals mx plus b, a powerful tool for calculating total costs involving a one-time fee and recurring charges. And of course, we will be exploring what this exactly means here, as you can read the rest of this. But anyways, thank you for viewing my video, and we'll continue on. And so, of course, obviously, we'll begin understanding linear cost models, explore fixed and variable costs, and a linear equation. And so we'll identify the one-time fees and recurring charges, then proceed step-by-step calculations with examples. And the linear cost model helps simplify complex pricing structures into fixed and variable components. This approach uses the equation y equals mx plus b to represent the total cost as a function of recurring charges and fixed fees, enabling clear cost analysis. Fixed costs are one-time or constant fees that do not change with usage, such as the setup cost. Variable costs depend on usage or time, like monthly subscriptions. Together, they form the basis of many pricing models. The equation y equals mx plus b represents the total cost as recurring charges m multiplied by the quantity or time period x plus a fixed one-time fee b. The linear relationship is widely used to model costs. Example includes mobile phone plans with activation fees and monthly charges, software subscription services with installation costs and usage fees, and utility bills with fixed meter charges plus per unit rates. Understanding the individual components helps in accurately calculating total costs. One-time fees set the baseline, while the recurring charges accumulate over time, both contributing to overall expenses. One-time fees are initial costs paid once, such as setup fees, installation charges, or activation costs. They represent the constant term in the linear equation B. Recurring charges are variable costs incurred regularly, like monthly subscription or per use fees. The time period or quantity x multiplies these charges, while the rate per period m denotes the cost per unit time or usage. Let's apply the model to a practical example to understand how to calculate total costs using given values for one-time fees and recurring charges over a specified period. Suppose there is a one-time setup fee of $50, which is B, and a monthly subscription charge of $20, which is M. For 6 months, which is X, the equation becomes Y is equal to 20 times 6 plus 50. In the calculating of Y, which 20 times 6 is 120 plus 50, the initial cost, is equal to $170, which covers the setup fee plus charges accumulated over the 6-month period. The result indicates that using the service for 6 months will cost $170 in total. This insight helps in budgeting and evaluating the affordability of the service. The linear cost model is versatile and can be adjusted for varying time periods, rates, and service options, aiding decision making and financial planning. By changing the values of X and M, the model can predict costs over different durations or with different recurring rates, allowing flexible cost analysis.